Ask him a whole bunch of questions.
Michael, where are the cookies? Michael, where are the cookies? Mikey, where are the cookies? Hey, Mommy.
Michael, where are the cookies?
Look, Mommy.
They're cookies.
Mikey, where's the cookies? Michael,
Michael.
where's the cookies, Michael? Michael, you want toys? You want a truck?
Michael, where are cookies?
Mikey, you want a truck?
Michael, cookies. Go look at. Oh my gosh, his butt is showing.
Keep it like that.
Michael, look. Where's the cookies?
Let me see the cat, Mikey.
Michael, look, cookies. Cookies. Go get cookies.
Mikey, let me see the cat. Michael, go in your room right now. Michael, go in your room. No. Yes.
Okay, look at me, Michael.
Yeah.
Michael, cookies. Look, there's cookies. Look, want cookies? Look, one more cookie, Michael. One more cookie. Do you want it? Хочешь? Look, there's cookie. One more. Michael, look. Say cookie.
I'm gonna copy Michael by eating the cream off.
Okay, but eat all of it. Michael, say cookie. Say cookie.
Sit down.
Cookie? Cookie? He said I'm recording. He doesn't want to say anything. Ouch.
I'm copying Michael.
Say kitty cat.
Mikey, put the cat down. No. It wants to be down. No. Mikey, put the cat down. No.
You locked Jordan. What a dork. He's so funny. He's just a locker. And he wants to go outside. Look at his face. It's like priceless. Michael, say cookie.
Why are you locking? Now it's never gonna open.
Michael, say cookie.
No.
Please.
Guys, all the doors are locked in the house. How are we gonna get in now? Because it's locked.
You're funny.
No, I'm serious. Money.
Say cookie.
Money.
What money?
What? Money.
Oh, money. Say Tina. Say Tina. Say Tato. Say Mila. Allah. Say James. Say James. Mikey, say James.
All the doors are locked.
Cool story. Bro. Mikey. Ask him questions, James.
Michael. No. Mikey, watch this. Mikey, look. Ready, set, go. Ow. Mikey, look.
You're
Mikey,
touching the
look.
cat now.
Mikey, look. Michael.
Ouch. He's like acting all slick.
All the doors are locked.
It's not locked.
That is. Yes, it is. See?
It can't be locked.
Okay, go through that door then.